Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update Fusion 360 when you don't see an update here in the notification center. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is go ahead and close out of Fusion 360 and open up a web browser or search engine here, just like Google. Type in Autodesk and hit enter, and go ahead and click on the Autodesk link and sign into your account. Now for my students, come on up here. You won't see a picture, but you'll see your initials or something like that, and go to Products and Services. And for students in my class, you have access to Fusion 360. So what you want to do now is go ahead and download the most recent version. All right, and once it opens up, if you see this message, go ahead and download unverified file. And once it has downloaded, all right, click up here on this arrow and open up the installer and select Run. All right, let it do its thing. And it already gives me a message because it says, hey, you're already running the most latest version. But if you're not, you will not receive this message, and it'll go ahead and update. So I'm going to go ahead and click yes. Once it's done its thing, go ahead and open up Fusion 360 again, and you should have the most updated version. It may take a few minutes. I find this method works great for resolving any bugs or issues that you have with Fusion 360. Also, when you launch Fusion 360 in my class from a Windows computer, launch it from your search bar and launch it from here. Do not launch the desktop icon. All right? Hopefully that helps. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.